Alrighty folks, today we got two Lochinvar boilers, 2 million BTUs on both. Gonna be doing some maintenance on those, and we got to do some maintenance on this domestic hot water boiler. So let's get into it. So we got our csd-1 annual test. This is going to be controls, safety devices. We're going to be doing this on this boiler. So it's going to go through all of our safety reliefs, our flame safeguards, our limit switches. We're going to go through and we're going to test every one of them. This is what we did last year. Same paperwork right here. Go through, test all of them. Pretty straightforward, but let's get into it. I'll show you how to do it. Just got done filling this out. We got our manufacturer, our serial number, max water pressure, max temperature, all this stuff. And all of this stuff is going to be your safety devices and what the set points of them are, and then we'll have to go through and test them. But for right now, we're going to get these panels off this unit. Alright, we got our top panel off. Now let's get our bottom panel off. Okay, there we go. Now the bottom panel is off. Look at all this good stuff. Now here we go. We got a lot of burners. We gotta pull these manifolds out of there first, pull all of those out. Then every one of those burners has to come out. And then we'll pull that whole plate out and expose the heat exchanger. So here we go. We got all of our gas manifolds out of there. Now we gotta take these burners out. There's just a couple of them. On the last one, there we go. All 20 burners are out, or I guess 19 burners. Now let's pull this backing plate off. All right, we're down and dirty now. This is your heat exchanger on a copper fin boiler. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use a stiff bristled brush and we're gonna scrub this back and forth. And then we're gonna go and vacuum up all this soot. We're just gonna go like that. Back and forth. Back and forth. We're gonna do that all the way down. Now that we got that all nice and beautiful, we're gonna go right to our burners. And we're gonna do a visual inspection on these. We're gonna go down, we're looking for any cracks. What we're gonna look down in the barrel of the burner, and we're looking at that seam right there. When these start to go bad, that seam will start to split. I'll try to see if I can't find one, and I'll show you. Now lastly, we're going to clean the top of the burner. We're just going to go back and forth with a wire brush, cleaning it all out. And we're going to do that with 19 burners. Alright, jump ahead a little bit. We got all the burners back in, all the gas manifolds back in, new igniters. We're ready to slap this cover on and start this bad boy up. I got our panel back on there. Now it's time to start this bad boy up. Alright, this bad boy is about to ride up. Let's see what it does. Got it all put back together now. The boiler is running smoothly. Stage 1 and 2 are running. 3 and 4 we're running. Got everything tested. Got all of our paperwork filled out. All of our safeties have been tested. Everything's working good. So that's going to be a wrap for this one, and we'll move right over to this one. And after that, we do this guy. But for today, that's it. Peace.